Okay, so this is what we ordered. It's a gaming chair and a ring light.
Putting in the wheels.
Yeah, don't do that.
Oh!
Ano try?
Okay.
Hello world! We both got packages.
So we're gonna unbox both of them and then
Th
I'm gonna build this.
Is a chair. This is a
This will be a
light
chair.
thing. Ring light, yeah.
Yeah, let's get to it. Let me just.
Oh no, that has our address. Sorry. Okay.
Yours is still coming, eh?
By the way, Genshin Gamer UID. Maybe
It's a
you know.
Genshin. No, wait, what?
Won't be a Genshin. I don't think you're supposed to put bubble wrap like this. Wouldn't like to damage the chair itself, actually. This thing was heavy, by the way.
Very heavy.
Extremely heavy. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, we removed the table. Now we're gonna do a full unboxing of this. Let me just sit down.
You removed the table, right?
Okay, so this is what we ordered. It's a gaming chair and a ring light. Yeah, that's what we're unboxing right now.
Okay,
let's
so
get to it.
what we have in the part is we have this thing and then we have some sticks.
Okay, this has many parts, but I'll take it out one by one. Oh.
Hey.
Okay, so we got the frame of the chair, I'm guessing. Let's take this out.
We have our stick.
Then we have the actual
Okay, so
seat of the
inside
chair. I'm
the
guessing. I'm gonna
wow.
take up quite a bit
the
of
thing is so okay. Anyways.
Okay, we have the handles. And then the chair stand itself, yes. Alright, we got the other handle. What in the heck? I don't know what this is. I'm
Oh
guessing
my
it's
gosh,
for...
okay.
Oh wait, this is for the locking.
Ooh, look, we got the main circle. Wow. We got a plug and
Here's the wheels
this thing.
and everything.
And this thing, I don't know.
Oh, instructions. Okay. It's time to get assembling. By the way, we ordered 3 more of these for everyone else. This is mine. Theirs is still coming. So we're gonna video that. I don't know if we're gonna assemble. Yeah, we might. Yes. Okay.
Where's the bottom part?
Assembly time. Okay, I'm gonna assemble this chair in silence, so you're gonna watch me assemble, and he's gonna do the ring light while I'm doing it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Good.
No,
this is like building
here.
Legos.
Okay, so this part, I actually did it wrong. That part's not supposed to go. This is supposed to roll into the. Okay, hold on. Let me just show you. So right, there's like a hole here. You screw this in here, and then from there you wanna pop this part into there, and then you basically plug it in, and then yeah. It'll work. Oh. Wow. Let me push it down a bit. Okay, so you put it in like that. Don't focus. Okay, so you put it in like that. Okay. Right there. And that's the ring light unboxing. Tristan still has to do like screws and stuff.
Yep.
Pickaxe.
You sure it can go up?
Pull out the bag. Okay. bad. God. I got the headband.
Okay, the stupid instructions don't have.
Ew.
The instructions didn't have anything for this. So you put this up in here like this. They didn't. They forgot to show instructions for this. That's why I was so confused.
And then I got the headband. I'll be a chair, yo.
Just tighten this.
Many unbearable hours later.
Well, that's the chair complete. Okay, here's the final product. Chair's finished. All its glory. Yeah, let's put the pillows on. Don't open the. Whoa! What the?
I don't know.
Nani?
I thought I took it out. There's something there. I'll put it back. I think it's supposed to be there. But I don't know what it's supposed to do.
There's a plug that came in here. I don't know what the hell this is. What about in here? Okay, no, there's nothing in here.
You plug it in. So maybe it does something.
Aye. Don't do that.
Oh!
Oh, it's a. It's a
head massager.
Okay, put it back. I'm guessing this goes over like this.
Oh no, this is a back massager.
Oh. How the hell does this pillow go? They have a head massager inside of here.
It's a back.
Yeah, back massager. Isn't that cool? Okay, yeah, that's the chair done.
Something false? Oh.
Sit on it. Let's see how.
Let's see how it is actually. I'm wearing boxes while doing this. Who cares?
Oh.
Okay.
Here's the chair. Gaming chair, gaming setup. We can, what is this? Go down with it, you know, go up with it. This is to lock it in place, I think. Like if you want to. Where the hell is it? Oh, yeah.
Don't pop. Out.
Wanna go? Oh wait, this thing is getting blocked by the pillow, but basically, yeah, you can adjust to where you want it.
How does it feel? Can you try it? There's a battery inside?
No, there's a plug you can plug in and it vibrates constantly while you sit. So it's a back massager.
Kind of. Well, just vibrates.
Well, that's about it. This is the chair itself. I'm gonna spin.
Yes.
Any second try and survive now.
Pretty cool. Where are we gonna put this?
What's that? Next to the door. You must have bike now.
Oh, it's very skinny.
Show them how the assembly is. Is it difficult?
The assembly is pretty easy, but
Yeah,
like.
talk to the who.
Okay. The assembly for this is pretty easy, but they left out one of the instructions. But I figured it out, so.
I don't like this actually.
Yeah, short.
Hello. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day.
Like,
Comment
sit up
also if you want. Good.
Sit up quickly. Get off!
It's my play.
Oh, I built it.
So mean.
Okay, bye for now.
The next day,
Hello world, we got the last two chair packages and we're gonna unbox and build these two. This is a pink a pink. I don't know the other color.
The pink and black and blue.
Yeah, pink and black and blue. We're gonna unbox these. These finally came. Everyone's here. The only ones built right now is my mom's and mine that we got first. So yes, we're gonna be building these ones. Montage time. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Yes, okay, montage.
We're just gonna get
Hello world!
how pretty the color
Oh,
is. Well,
It's not like
this is the color. It's very pretty. Yeah. Wow!
Did I switch off again?
Ayan na. Oh, yeah. Look. It's pretty. Okay, so putting in the wheels. We have to push this in later, but for now we got to put in the wheels. Okay, so first step, that you're supposed to put the wheels in, but it's very hard to put it in, so yeah.
So by the way, like this one is like all good and stuff, but this is a bit faulty, so Tristan's gonna try to rectify it, because like look, so it shouldn't have that lump over there, that whitish lump thingy. It should just be straight, so if you do this you can see the booger. Yeah, so what you gonna do?
Mold it.
After I put these two together, I'm putting the handles and then I'm gonna put it onto that thing and then we're done basically. Yeah.
So Annie can do these things now, huh?
Yes.
Finish.
Oh, why is it skewed?
Okay guys, so we got our gaming chairs.
So now we have our chairs. Chow didn't sponsor us, so I'm not a sponsor, so please, just notifying. Just vote who's got the best color.
Who's got the best color? Who has the best color?
Luckily that thing is not copyrighted, so it's fine. Anyway, who's got the best color? Choose between the red, the gold, the blue, and the pink. You guys decide, vote, see who wins, who's got the best chair.
Don't forget to hit like.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notifications too if you want to hear about us. And like the video and comment if you want to.
Hit the like button, please subscribe. Yeah.
Bye for now!
Bye bye.
Among Us.